Okay, for the last page, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and place my documents and then show you how to format it and introduce how to apply character styles to the last page. Okay, so now I placed all the articles: emergency vet service, fleas and ticks, heartworm, toys, and pet ID. And I changed all the formatting so that it is, wait, actually, okay. So that it's all body copy. So every one of these is body copy now, and I made sure that none of the character styles are applied yet. Now I go in and change the headlines to the headline option, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Well, it looks like the phone number here is also a headline one too. And then both of these are centered though. And so I'm going to center them. And then it looks like there's an extra return here. So I'm going to delete that return. So now I pulled up the fleas and ticks article from, what is it called? An Acrobat. And I just want to take a look because here you can see that there's some extra formatting in the fleas and ticks article that needs to be done. There's a different paragraph style called the body copy indent, and then we're going to add the character styles for body copy bold because within the paragraph style there's a couple words that we want to change to bold, but we don't want to apply it to the whole paragraph, just part of the paragraph, and that's when you implement a character style. And you do it if it's some type of local formatting that you're going to repeat. So in this case, the bold is used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. It's better to just create a character style and change it really easily like that than to have to go highlight each thing and change it up in the control panel up here. It may not seem like a lot, but if you have pages and pages of copy and you want to change it really fast, it does save time. And then also, if you ever want to change this, the bold to, for example, if you want to change it so that it's a different color too, and this is in hindsight after you're on page like 77, then it'll be just so simple to go into your character styles. Let me zoom in here and make that change, and then in a split second it applies it to everything. Whereas if you didn't set up a character style, that could be a lot of highlighting and changing one by one. So let me go ahead and change. Oh, first make the paragraph change, and then apply the paragraph style first. So body copy indent. So now that's indented, and then one at a time go ahead and change. Basically, it's a subtitle to body copy bold. So bold, flea shampoo to bold, flea collar to bold, etc., etc. So now what I was saying was, if I ever wanted to change this so that it's a different color, it would be so easy to just go change color in the character style options, for example, to magenta, and bing, they're all changed automatically. But I don't want to do that, so I'm going to cancel that. But can you imagine if you had hundreds of words that were assigned to the bold copy and you needed to change all of them? Well, if you didn't use a character style, then you have to individually change each one of these one by one, and that would take a lot of time. So that's why I use character styles. Okay, and for one other instance of local formatting, if you guys remember from before, the indent to here basically puts, see how the copy bumps when the second line of each section is aligned to where the bullet is, but if you want to push it back so the bullet pops forward more, then you click right where you want it to align to, which is in front of the F, and then control click or right click, and then insert special character, and it should be indent to here. And then see the difference? It looks so much cleaner like that. And just do it for only, you don't need to do it for this one because it doesn't have a second line. You only need it for ones where there's a second or third or fourth line.